We get another box here. This is horror. I mean, this one's a lot smaller than that pop culture one we just did. Tissue paper is so good. Oh my god. This is what makes what I say about paper and plastic fillers. Right here. This probably took on like literally some change and made this. And it says that Reanimator. This sucks. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm tired of paper fillers. That's why lately, I don't know, I'm like hesitant. Like I like the Funkos. I like the signed Funkos. So if you're gonna give me stuff like this, it's not worth the money. I mean, I know there's an autograph, so to me, it's not worth the money. We got a pen, the flesh toned leprechaun pen, because I know heard somebody saying that the pens are going to be based on color. I mean, we got a 1-up. That's always good. What? I mean, who knows? Okay, I'm a little bit happier now because I got, I think, the best print. I mean, autograph. Okay, because I seen somebody, like, I don't mean this, say that this box I actually did peek in to see what it is, but I'm actually happy because I was like not really looking forward for the regular, like, you know, photo autograph. When I heard that they were gonna have, like, I don't know, like objects or like, you know, sign and whatnot, but I actually got, you probably people aren't gonna know what this is right off the bat. This is Phantom of the Opera, and these are actually the music notes. So this was kind of badass. Now, like, I wasn't looking forward for the regular photos of them, but I kind of like this. This is awesome. Oh my god, this is so awesome. I'm sorry. I was not excited about the fucking picture, and this is hand signed by Jill, from Phantom of the Opera, so that's cool, actually. I was thinking I was gonna hate the regular autograph, but that's actually nice. I'm not mad at that, no. Because, I mean, some of the autographs are kind of like, but that one's really nice. Like, I'm not that big of a fan of a fan because, like, I don't know, it's kind of like not like a man movie to me, but it's not like something a movie I watch all the time, you know? It's not like, yeah, I've seen it, it's cool. But okay, next, this is actually a pretty cool art print, and I'm going to definitely hang this one up. This is nice. I like it's like a, I don't know how to say it, but like a mix between like a turquoise, yeah, it's like a greenish blue, no, teal, there we go. It's like a teal, like, color of alien, so it's nice and kind of like, you know, the colors pop on it, which is cool. I can't get over the autograph now. I'm sorry, I've said that bandbox, you know. I mean, I haven't said it before, but like, I didn't unbox the last 4 box I got on video because I didn't like it, you know, and I didn't want to give negative review about it, but I actually really love this, and I love, you know, the pop culture box, the pin, the Leprechaun pin is pretty awesome. I know I got the standard, but that music note that I got autographed is limited, only 99. So hell yeah, I'll take that. Thank you. And I got the green, of course, because that's the regular. But wouldn't it be cool? Well, I mean, I don't know. I actually like the green better than the orange. Sometimes the variants, like, don't make any sense. But I'm happy about the autograph. I'm happy about the pen. I'm okay about the print. I mean, the print's really nice, but I can't guess. I say I love it. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I was thinking about quitting BAM, like, getting stuff like this, like, once in a great while, like, makes you want to, like, oh my god, are they starting to do the right thing, you know, like, with their boxes, so, I don't know. I mean, I'm definitely getting next month's, because I already paid for it, but, yeah, let me know what you guys think, and everything, and, see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe if you're new. Like this video. Gonna post again probably tomorrow. I'm uploading 2 right now because behind on these came in the mail like days ago, but I haven't gotten the opportunity. God, I love this autograph, and I love my pop culture one. So this is awesome. I love how it says music and love. This is cool. I don't know. I love, if you haven't seen the BAM pop culture one, the one I just posted as well, that blew my mind as well. You know, that's why I'm talking too much. I gotta go. Bye.